Okay, hello everyone, hello YouTube. This is my short video Rdvv first programming microcontroller PIC and very easy program is not complete is starting. Yes, rotary encoder function and this is the very special oscilloscope. Yes, I buy aliexpress.com. It's very good and very sensitivity and very good. Yes, it's awesome. The frequency maximum 120 megahertz. Yes. I'm testing. Yes. Okay. This is the Rdvv and PLL init.c bus, and the frequency setting is not complete. My microcontroller and VCO is free. Okay, not PLL locked, is free. This is the VCO varicup, and this is the VCO FET oscillator, and driving. And the measurement point, this is okay, this is the capacitor. Okay, yes. And oscilloscope, yeah, oh. Oh, yes. I am happy. I am very happy. Yeah, thank you very express, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching video. Hi.